Hi, today I'm going to show you how to activate OnePay card. So, in order to do this, first of all, open the OnePay mobile application or visit the official activation website mentioned on your card sticker. Then tap on Activate Card. Then make sure you're on the verified OnePay site to keep your details secure. Now, enter your 16-digit card number, expiration date and CVV, the 3-digit code on the back. Double check everything before you move forward to avoid delays. Now, for security, OnePay will ask you for details like your date of birth, registered phone number, or last 4 digits of your SSN, that is social security number. You might also receive a one-time verification code, that is OTP. Enter it to confirm your ownership. Next, set up your PIN for ATM or in a store, use, then pick up a number you'll remember, but that isn't easy for others to guess. This step secures your OnePay card for all future transactions. Once your information is verified, you will see a confirmation message saying your card is active. You can now check your balance or make your first purchase using your OnePay card. And that's it. Your OnePay card is now fully activated and ready to use anywhere. Debit or prepaid cards are accepted. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.